Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude back with another scan code video. So we'll be taking a look at the Camp Cretaceous toy line so far. Right now I have all of the figures, not including the 3 that have been released this month, which are the new Rex and the 2 new, I think one is Proceratosaurus and the other is Stegosaurus. But besides that, this is the complete lineup as of now. So we'll dive right in. Hopefully it can help you guys complete your scan code app thingy. So we'll start off with Bumpy. This one was released early on and then had a re-release. And we know that there's going to be a 2-pack with Bumpy and Ben coming out in the future. And we got Limbo, I think. And this one was from the Stegosaurus story pack. We got the Sinoceratops. Here we go. And don't forget you guys can pause the video on the scan codes to scan them. Here we have Echo, Delta, which were in the first season. We got Stygimoloch. I don't think this guy has been featured yet. And we have another Stygimoloch, a gray one. And we have the Pteranodon. This one's one of my favorites. Next we have the monolophosaurus. There we go. Okay, we've got the blue figure from the Ceratosaurus playset. And the Charlie figure, also from that playset. These are like in the cheaper figure molds. Next we have the Gallimimus, which is super cool. It's got a classic Kenner style paint job. Very neat. Next we have the Camp Cretaceous Pteranodon. There we go. And then there's 2 Dimorphodons that have been released. There's this fiery one. And there's this kind of darker, little navy blue-like one with yellow wings. And another one of my favorites, we've got the plesiosaurus. Where's that scan code? There it is. And then we've got the Ceratosaurus from the Camp Cretaceous packaging. It's kind of also released in the Primal Attack lineup as well. Next up we have the Ceratosaurus from the 3-pack. And let's grab the albertosaurus. This one's also super cool. It's been released in battle damage format as well, and this is a really nice, vibrant take on the figure. Next we have Grim. Can't wait for the others to be released. You got the bioluminescent para. There we go. Next up, the gray Stegosaurus. This is a really nice figure, as it's got a really natural color and perfect movie accurate for the pattern. And then we have the Rex figure, electronic one. Can't remember the name of this figure. some gimmick, like epic, yeah, I think it's Epic Roaring Rex. Then we've got the battle damage one that was recently released. With that cool action feature. And then we have the Spinosaurus. A very interesting figure to add to the lineup. They're a really neat paint job. And finally we have Toro Carnotaurus. And there we go. That was the Camp Cretaceous scan code lineup so far, not including the 3 newest released figures. Hopefully that could help you guys in completing your facts app to a certain degree. If any of the codes did not scan for you guys, let me know in the comment section and I will feature them in a future scan code video so you can grab them. Thanks for watching, hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.